Whether in the diaspora or here in Nigeria, Igbo children struggle to speak the language fluently. I noticed this gap and decided to do something about it.
Our new bilingual book can help. It's on Amazon.
Grab a copy for yourself, kids, nephews, nieces, and family friends. Order this book anywhere in the world. It helps children learn Igbo through stories. Just enter your address on Amazon.
The bilingual Igbo English children's storybook, everyday basic Igbo expressions. It has interactive activities, vocabulary expansion, and basic Igbo expressions. Get your copy today.
Hello there, off I go. What a lovely day for a walk. Hee time to explore. Nimuneri. Time to deliver these bananas. Kedu? No.
What a lovely day for a walk.
It is. We'll get to school in no time.
Mbe na nunu. O masịrị m ịga akwụkwọ. Ka anyị gaa ọsọ ọsọ. Odimma enyim.
Ka anyị gaa ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Ka anyị gawa.
Welcome, class. Today, we start the Igbo alphabet.
Ooh, exciting. What's first?
Yes, please show us.
A bụ akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ.
B bụ bịa. Sha bụ chere.
B bụ bịa. B bụ bịa.
D bụ dalu. Dalu, thank you.
I love my Igbo storybook. Grab your copy today. Dalu!
Kedu?
A bilingual Igbo storybook just for you. Grab a copy.
Our children's bilingual book is now available on Amazon. Available nationwide. Available on Amazon.
Grab your copy today.
Get your copy today.